Good morning to my dear students. Welcome back to Agni Green School. Today I start with Standard 9th, Book History, Lesson Nazism and the Rise of Hitler. Okay, students, today we will do some MCQ of this lesson, few MCQs and few extra questions of this lesson. Okay, please concentrate as what I say. The first MCQ is, what was the response of the Germans to the new Weimar Republic? I repeat the question. What was the response of the Germans to the new Weimar Republic? Okay, its answer is, they held the new Weimar Republic responsible for Germany's defeat and the disgrace at Versailles. The Republic carried the burden of war, guilt and national humiliation. It became the target of attacks in the conservative national circles. Okay, so all this is the answer of what was the response of the Germans to the new Weimar Republic. Second, in what ways did the First World War leave a deep imprint on European society and politics and polity? Its answer is, soldiers were put above civilians, trench life was glorified, politicians and publicists laid stress on men to be aggressive and masculine, aggressive war propaganda and national honor were given the most support and conservative dictatorships were welcomed. Next, which of the following statements is false about the soldiers in the World War I? I will मैं questions बोलती हूँ, आप सोचो कि कौन सा wrong है about the soldiers in the World War I. First, the soldiers in reality led miserable lives in trenches, survived with feeding on the cobras. Second, they faced poisonous gas and enemy shelling and loss of comrades. Third, all the soldiers were ready to die for their country's honor and personal glory. And fourth, aggressive propaganda glorified war. So students, answer is, all the soldiers were ready to die for their country's honor and personal glory. Next, the following statements are about Hitler's early life. Which of them is incorrect? First, Hitler was born in 1889 in Austria and spent his youth in poverty. Second, he joined the army during World War I and earned allocates for bravery. Third, he was totally unaffected by German defeat in the war and only thought of improving his career. And fourth, in 1919 he joined a small group called the German Workers' Party, which later was known as Nazi Party. So students, the answer is, he was totally unaffected by the German defeat in the war and only thought of improving his career. Next, the Treaty of Versailles, signed at the end of World War I, was harsh and humiliating for Germany because the answer is, Germany lost its overseas colonies and 13% of its territories. It lost 75% of its iron and 26% of its coal to France. Poland, Denmark and Lithuania was forced to pay compensation of 6 billion pounds. And also the answer is, the Western powers demilitarized Germany and they occupied resource-rich Rhineland in the 1920s. Next, which of the following was a special surveillance and security force created by Hitler? Answer is Gestapo. मैंने आपको explain किया था who was Gestapo, secret state police, and the SS, that is the protection squads, and criminal police, the security service. They were the special surveillance. Next, What was Hitler's historic blunder and why? Answer is attack on Soviet Union in 1941 was a historic blunder by Hitler. He exposed his Western Western Front to British aerial bombing. And also the answer is the Soviet Red Army inflicted a crushing and humiliating defeat on Germany at Stalingrad. Next, Hitler's world view, which was also the Nazi ideology, was answer. There was no equality between people, only a racial hierarchy. Answer. The blonde, blue-eyed Nordic German Aryans were at the top and the Jews at bottom. Answer. Jews were the anti-race, the arch enemies of the Aryans. Next. Why did Helmut's father kill himself in the spring of 1945? Because he feared revenge by the Allied powers. Next, which of the following countries led the Allied powers in the Second World War? Answer: UK, France, USSR and USA. Next, which of the following bodies was set up to try and prosecute the Nazi war criminals at the end of the World War II? It was, answer is, International Military Tribunal. Next, Germany's genocidal war was against which of the following people? Jews, other political opponents, gypsies, and Germans who were considered mentally and physically disabled. Next, why did Nuremberg Tribunal sentence only 11 Nazis to death for such a massive genocide? Because the Allies did not want to be harsh on the defeated Germany as they had been after the World War I. Next, against which of these countries had Germany fought during World War I? Answer: England, France, Russia. Next, what was the most important result of the Spartacus League uprising in Germany in 1918-19? Answer: the Weimar Republic crushed the rebellion. And second, the Spartakists founded the Communist Party of Germany. Next, who were called the November criminals? The supporters of Weimar Republic. Next, war in 1917 led to the strengthening of Allies and the defeat of Germany because of the entry of USA. Next, the National Assembly met at Weimar and decided to establish a democratic constitution with a federal structure. Next, who was Dawes Plan? क्या था? A plan which reworked the terms of reparation to ease financial burden on the Germans. Which of the following statements is true about the economic crisis in Germany in 1923? It was the value of mark German currency. And next, prices of goods sold high. Next, what gave Nazi states its reputation as the most dreaded criminal state? It was extra constitutional powers were given to the newly organized forces like Gestapo, the SS and SD. People could be detained in Gestapo torture chambers and sent to concentration camps. Next, No legal procedures were there for the arrested people. Next, which of the following was a feature of Hitler's foreign policy? He pulled out of the League of Nations in 1933. Next, what was the slogan coined by Hitler when he followed his aggressive foreign policy? Answer is one people, one empire and one leader. Next, which incident led to the start of World War II? It was German invasion of Poland. Next, when and among which countries was the Tripartite Pact signed? It was 1940, Germany, Italy and Japan. Next, when did Germany attack the Soviet Union? It was 1941. Next, which incident persuaded the USA to join the war? It is Japan's attack on the US base at Pearl Harbor. Next, when did the Second World War came to end? It was May 1945. What was Hitler's ideology of Lebensraum or living space? That is, the world must be occupied, enabling the material resources and power of the German nation, and new territories had to be acquired for settlement. And last MCQ is, according to the Nazis, which people were to be regarded as desirable? Answer is pure and healthy Nordic Aryans. Okay students, so with this I had explained you 30 MCQs with its answers from the interior of the text.
हो गया
मास्टर जी को बोल इधर आ जसली बिल्लू मास्टर को बोल बाद में फोन मम्मी ऑनलाइन है okay students, so we will solve few more question answers, okay, regarding this lesson. Okay, come on, we'll solve its few important questions. Okay, come on, note down its important questions. Right, Describe the problems faced by the Weimar Republic. Weimar. Describe the problems faced by the Weimar Republic. Next, discuss why Nazism became popular in Germany by 1930. Next, what are the peculiar features of Nazi thinking? What are the peculiar features of Nazi thinking? Next, explain why Nazi propaganda was effective in creating a hatred for Jews. These are the long question answers you will easily get from your text. Okay. Next is explain what role of women in Nazi society. Explain the role of women in Nazi society. In what ways did the Nazi state seek to establish total control over its people? I repeat, in what ways did the Nazi state seek to establish total control over its people? Next, is discuss why Nazism became popular in Germany by 1930. I think this I had explained to you. Written, everyone? Alright, next question. Explain the term genocidal. Explain the term genocidal. What is genocidal war? Explain the term genocidal. What is genocidal war? Next, how did the common people react to Nazism? How did the common people react to Nazism? Next, explain about the Treaty of Versailles. Explain about the Treaty of Versailles. Next, describe the problems faced by the Weimar Republic. Discuss the problems faced by the Weimar Republic. Next, Explain about the foreign policy of Hitler. Explain about the foreign policy of Hitler. Mention any three main features. Next, discuss why Nazism became popular in Germany by 1930. Discuss why Nazism became popular in Germany by 1930. Write about women in Nazi Germany. Write about women in Nazi Germany. Next, what were the events that unfolded? What were the events that unfolded during the Great Economic Depression? During the Great Economic Depression of the US, and explain. Next, explain the ideology of the Nazis regarding the Jews. Explain the ideology of the Nazis regarding the Jews. Next, what was the role of the youth during Nazi Germany? What was the role of the youth during Nazi Germany? Next, what was Holocaust? Holocaust. What was Holocaust? Next, in what ways did the Nazi state seek to establish total control over its people? In what ways did the Nazi state seek to establish total control over its people? Next, mention any three effects of the First World War over Europe. Next, who was called November criminals? Who was called November criminals? Next is, who was propaganda minister of Hitler? The answer is Goebbels. 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 देखो, it is there in your page number 49, paragraph 3. Which court was set up at the end of Second World War to prosecute Nazi war criminals? It is International Military Tribunal at Nuremberg. Then what do you mean by genocidal war? Genocidal war means killing on a large scale leading to destruction of large sections of the people. What do you mean by Reichstag? Reichstag is the name of the German parliament. Which treaty was signed by Germany after its defeat in the First World War? The Treaty of Versailles. who were mockingly called November criminals? Those who supported the Weimar Republic. कौन mainly socialist, Catholics and Democrats were mockingly called the November of criminals. Next, how were the deputies of the Riksdag appointed? The deputies of the Riksdag were elected on the basis of universal votes cast by all adults, including women. Then what do you mean by free crops? The war veterans organizations through which the Weimar Republic crushed the uprising of the League are called free crops. Next is the long question answers, okay, that I had already given. Now all these questions just note down in your book, in your CWSST book, and you have to write all its answers. Everyone should write all its answers. Okay, that is this lesson. I had done many objectives मैंने आपके साथ डिस्कस की है. So many I had discussed with you इसके. Okay, so please go through the lessons of this. More MCQs also मैंने आपके साथ इससे डिस्कस की है, because इसमें टेक्सचुअल क्वेश्चन आंसर्स ज़्यादा नहीं है. So I had discussed this question answers, right? Okay students, so please complete your books. I had discussed so many question answers with you. I hope you will go through the lesson. Okay, आप डेली अपने लेसन्स को रीड करो. ओके, आपको पता चल जाएगा पर्टिकुलर क्वेश्चन के कहाँ आंसर है. सो डेली यू गो थ्रू दिस लेसन. ओके, so with this I wrap up my class here. Thank you to all. See you in my next class. Take care. Bye.